Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do Monopoly Go Airplane Mode glitch in 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, you want to go ahead and enter airplane mode on your device. Make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi connection too, so you're fully disconnected from the internet. Next, you'll just roll the dice like normal. Now, if you get lucky with your rolls, awesome, you're done. But if you're having some bad luck with your rolls, here's what you do next. While you're still in airplane mode, exit out of the game completely. Just close it like this. Now you're going to need to uninstall the game. So press and hold the app and then hit remove app. Confirm that you want to delete it. Once it's gone, head over to your app store. Search for Monopoly Go. Find it and reinstall the game. After reinstalling, make sure to turn off airplane mode and reconnect to the intranet. Here's the trick. When you log back into the game, you should have the same dice you had before you went into airplane mode. And that's how the glitch works. I hope this guy helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the later.